Premier Truck Group, Amarillo, Texas, 806-374-1033. This is stock number CHX 1845, a 2017 Cascadia with 487,438 miles on it. It is a DD15 10-speed overdrive, 10-speed direct with 253 rear ends. Sitting on new tires. This truck has EW3 remaining factory warranty to 500,000 miles. That can be extended or uprated to EW4. It's been run through our shop. It's been detailed. It's been DOT'd. It's a nice clean truck. It does have optimized idle. It does have a bunk heater. It does have the accident avoidance systems in it. Of course, I always say this. We do put 2 new mattresses in on every truck we sell. If it's got 2 beds, if it's got one bed, we just put 1 new mattress in it. This truck's at Premier Truck, Amarillo, Texas, 806-374-1033, exit 74 right off Interstate 40, Amarillo, Texas. Premier Truck, Amarillo. Thank you.